Okay, next one up, one of my favorite scoots, Yamaha 530 Tmax. This is a 2014 model. This is going to get one of our full works packages. Snowfoam, safe wash, decontaminate. It's got loads of bugs on the front, so we'll get all those bugs off. Get a little machine polishing on that windscreen. It's got a few marks on it, so we'll get all that polished out. And then we're going to get it in the studio, and we're going to airbrush the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic on every nook and cranny on this bike, from the exhaust, all your swing arm, all your calipers, wheels, everything is going to get the ceramic treatment. And we'll put the ceramic, the Ultimaxx Signature quartz on all the bodywork once this is all polished up. Get it looking like it should. More than anything, keep it properly protected for the years ahead. Give me a couple of hours. There you go, just under 2 hours. This Yamaha 530 Tmax has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Oh my God, what a badass scooter. This has had one of our full works valid, Snowfoam safe wash, blow dried. I did some machine polishing on this front cover here and the windscreen. Look at that, windscreen's come up as new. We then prepped it all and I treated it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. All the wheels, all up underneath, has all been covered. All your swing arm, calipers, all those little bits and pieces have all had a nice coating of the Ultimaxx ceramic. I put a bit of XCP corrosion protection on the center stand. Also polished up this little gloss black bit around here as it had some marks on it as new. Look at that. Get yours booked in now, 07966 249 963. On to the next.